In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to replace the battery in your Somfy transmitter. Follow along to ensure a smooth and damage-free process. For handheld transmitters, open the battery compartment by flipping your transmitter over, then using a small Phillips head screwdriver to remove the back panel. Remove the old battery by carefully lifting the old battery out of the compartment and carefully check the battery type. Most handhelds use CR2430 or CR2032 coin cells. Dispose of the battery responsibly and insert the new battery. Close the battery compartment and reattach the back panel. For in-wall or service mount transmitters, remove the transmitter from the wall by unscrewing the faceplate or using a flathead screwdriver to pry off the faceplate. Locate the battery compartment on the back and remove the battery. Some surface mount switches will require a paper clip to remove the battery. Determine the battery type, then dispose of it responsibly. Insert the new battery and reattach to the wall. Test the remote by operating the shade to ensure it responds. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more tips.